What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be unboxing and installing Blitz Strut tower bar for my 2022 Toyota Supra. Let's do it.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, and pass that bitch like Stockton.
I just hated the look of this cheap and ugly Strut tower bars. The newer 2023 Supra comes with an upgraded one. That's why I did a little research to see what my options are. I went to the Supra forum and I found out that the factory one costs $449, which is the exact same one as Blitz and the Cusco bar, which are almost twice cheaper than the factory one. It looks like the only difference is in the finish. That's why I purchased the Blitz bar off eBay for $249. The packaging and the quality of it is really good. Now let's go and install this thing. Let's start by removing the factory one. There is two bolts that we have to remove that hold the bar to the front of the car. And then there is two more in the back. It's easy job to remove. Now let's compare them. The factory ones feels very cheap compared to the Blitz bar that feels very solid. I mean, look at this. It looks so much better. Now to install the Blitz bar, you need to have access to the suspension. I've seen people do it without removing the front wheels, but I'm lowered on H&R springs and that was not the case for me. I was lazy to remove the front wheels, that's why I jacked up the rear of the car and that worked for me. The little bolt goes in the front and the longer one goes in the back. The longer bolt, it's a little bit tricky to install because it's hard to reach. Fitment was really good. It feels like it's a factory part. The installation was very easy. It should take you no longer than an hour. Compared to all the other expensive aftermarket parts for the Supra, I think the Blitz bar is really worth it. It looks so much better than before. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to be installing a lot of parts on the Supra this winter, getting the car ready for next year and Mexico.